Good morning, guys. Start to day 3. I would have said good morning to you guys in the tent, but and again, my GoPro acting up. It got down to the low 50s, and I had the GoPro with me in the tent, and it doesn't like the cold or it doesn't like the heat, but I turned it on to say good morning to all you guys, and it said SD error, so forget about it, right? But this is the GoPro 10. I am not liking the GoPro 10. I never had issues like this with the GoPro 9, but this 10 is just tricky, guys. But I am looking forward to that GoPro 12. It comes out this fall, I'm pretty sure. So fingers crossed that it's a lot better than this. Please, God, be a lot better than this. Alright, so for day 3, the start of day 3, we're going to hit that Village store. I'm going to see what kind of breakfast goodies they had and some coffee, because I'm getting pretty, I need my coffee. And then we're gonna hit Dickerson Fire Tower and we're gonna get this day started. All right, guys, let's get it. Man, guys, this bridge never gets old. Alright, guys, this is what I got. I was just talking to the store owner for a little bit. Awesome guy. So I couldn't find any local coffee or anything like that, so I picked this up. It's a Nitro Cold Brew Fog Buster Coffee Works Black Air Roasted. I don't think I ever had an air roasted coffee though. And then I got a cinnamon bun, but these are all homemade, so these are made this morning. So but first I'm gonna try this coffee because I need my coffee. It's actually not too bad, guys. If you guys like a lot of sugar, a lot of sweetness, this is not for you though. Spilling all over. Oh, I like that. Yeah, I don't like my my coffee too sweet, guys. All right, so this cinnamon bun. Oh man, it's so warm. I don't eat sweets that much, but I didn't see any egg or anything like that. Man, it's pretty good. I'm getting all over me now. It's not the best cinnamon bun I had. I'd probably give it a 3.5 out of a 5. It's good. A little dry, but it'll do. But guys, I'm gonna get going. Let's get it, guys.
IKEA family members with lots of discounts and new lower prices on your favorite items, from the kitchen to the bathroom. Wow, talk. No, you.
All right, guys, just got to the Welcome Center. What a beautiful drive here. It's actually a beautiful day. I'm gonna go grab the book bag, get everything packed, then we're gonna hit the trail and get that fire tower, guys. All right, let's get it. All right, guys, we just left the trailhead. It's actually beautiful out. It's probably about 65, 66 degrees right now. Completely sunny, guys. The trailhead didn't look too packed, but I don't even know if they're there for the fire tower, because there's a lake over there that a lot of people park to go down to. So I have all my packs, as you guys can see. But let's see how this hike is. It's a beautiful hike. I'm gonna enjoy it. See you at the top, guys. Later. All right, guys. Looks like we made it. Our flag is still up. Awesome. Guys, what an absolutely beautiful morning to be hiking. I actually stopped and talked to a family heading down. There was a mom and dad and their 2-year-old son. Awesome, I love seeing that. They beat me up here. But they had a good time, we had a good conversation. I just love that. I gave the little boy a sticker. But right now I'm gonna go up top and I'm gonna check if there's any graffiti up there, and then get settled down, and then I'll talk to you guys up top. All right, guys, last time I talked to you, you're way down there. I can see my flag up there that we put up yesterday. So far I don't see any graffiti. Oh wow, I don't think we got hit, guys. Paint's dry. Not too bad, huh? So I picked up an Bernard can of spray paint. I might just go around the spots I did yesterday, you know, kind of make it even. These sprays so it's not like it's off. But this view never gets old, guys. What a beautiful day. Here's our flag we put up yesterday. Still blowing in the wind good. Doesn't look like it moved at all. It's holding up good. That flag's not looking too good. And what a beautiful day. Alright guys, I'm gonna go back down and get all settled, and I'm probably gonna grab the spray paint can and just kind of even these sprays out so it doesn't look so like bad. But we didn't get hit with any graffiti. I'm happy about that. The flag that we put up yesterday is still up, so thumbs up. My grandmother and my aunt are supposedly coming today, so hopefully you guys get to meet them. But that being said, let's get it, guys. Alright guys, I just finished spray painting. Actually ran out of spray paint. When I go back down to the center, I'm gonna have to put right down that we're gonna need more spray paint. But as you guys seen earlier in the videos, it was kind of all uneven and blotches, and I spray painted the I evened it out but the best I could with the amount of spray paint I got. I couldn't get that panel right here, but I got all these panels, as you guys can see earlier in the video, how they're all blotchy. We gotta do that one. And then I got the roof yesterday, as you guys seen it earlier in the video. But we need more spray paint. And then like, it looks like there's a roller. They were rolling it before. That'd probably be a better option, especially up there. Because when you spray paint, it just comes right back down in your eyes or your face. But not too shabby, huh guys? Our flag blowing, awesome. So quiet up here. I love it. Alright, so I haven't got any visitors since earlier when I was on my way up. I'm going to tell them, I'm pretty sure it should be dry and good for them, but I'll make sure I tell them that I just spray painted not that long ago, so be careful not to rub against the sides or anything like that. But as you can see, I still got spots I gotta touch up, but I just wanted to get majority even, like, you know what I mean, an even layer. But I think we're looking pretty good. Alright guys, so I'm gonna head back down, get a drink, get a snack, and then we'll take it from there. All right, guys, I just got done eating beef jerky. Hopefully there's nothing in my teeth. But my grandmother just called, and they're here, so I'm gonna meet them down by the road and help her out because she's a little bit older. But I got some goodies for them. But let's go see them, guys. Hey, you guys made it. They let you out, Grandma?
They let me out, I'm telling you.
There's a path right over here.
I celebrated yesterday with, well, Alicia, Ava,
Yeah.
all of them. Mwah. This is a first.
I know. It's not far up there. I got some goodies for you.
Oh,
Is that?
oh, the hiker responsibility code.
Yep.
Whoa.
Yeah, I'm hanging out right now.
Oh my gosh. They remember the little packs at camp. That's
Yeah.
the only time we ever had them. So it was like, these are the
sugar
things they
cereals.
remember.
We got sugar cereals.
Yes,
when
they
we
got
were at
sugar
camp.
for camp.
Everybody fought over Lucky Charms and Corn Pops, and
Go out there and burn up that sugar.
nobody
water.
wanted to be stuck with the corn.
Now that camp was in Redwood.
Yeah.
What I remember. Okay, my dad always.
Lake of the Woods.
Uncle
Like-
Daryl says he always wanted to buy a place up there.
Yeah, your dad does too.
The whole family.
It was
would.
sold. Actually, Amanda was right. He said yesterday it was sold in '85, so you wouldn't.
That's
you
when
don't have any
Grandpa sold it?
recollection. Yeah.
85?
So
Wow.
You don't have any recollection of it, but Amanda, he says, I remember Amanda still being kind of a newborn
Yeah, I wasn't even born
when
yet.
we were up there. So.
And Dave and Deb had their honeymoon there.
Glacier is coming through.
But it's such a natural. It's
Yeah.
just all laid out in perfect order of just go here to there to there to there.
Well, like Wood Creek is shallow. So what they would do is to get the supplies, they would build these dams. And it's called like riding the wave. So what they would build these dams, like Fort Bull was one dam right there, and they would do all the supplies. And then once they loaded their boats up with all the supplies, they would let the dam go and they would ride the wave to the next one.
that's
And the next
cool.
one was like Fort Ricky. You know Fort Ricky?
It didn't-
There's actually a fort
They didn't have
there.
any carry there. They
Yeah.
didn't have to, like on the chain of lakes, there's only one place that you actually have
Yep.
to get out and carry your canoe. And our scouts, Dave will tell you, he went all the way down, all 8 lakes in the canoe.
All right, so this is the front steps. Her cabin was like right here. So when she walked out her door, it's like me walking out her front door.
Okay.
And she would see the fire tower right here, and it was nice. This one, what they are saying that this is the original. This is original. So there's a couple theories. The one that I got is it stored water. So she would always have water to do dishes or whatever. But this is original.
Well, no, it's not a well, but well, I don't know. I can't see. Did you put your camera in there? It's full of leaves, which makes sense. I mean, years of that.
Yep. But that's what I got. I'm not really sure. But they said that it was used to fill with water.
Which would make sense. It's going to bring it into the...
But what I was told is it's original. And I'm assuming all this rock is from, yeah, from the old cabin. All right, Grandma, wave. You're on YouTube.
All the stories that are going on right now in those hills.
Yep, that's what the...
There's a body of water over there, it looks like.
I think that's part of the state park.
Okay, so that's Grafton Lake,
Yep,
maybe?
Grafton. Well, I think there's a couple lakes over there in that state park, but yes.
Maybe there is a Babcock Lake because we were...
All right, guys, we're back at the Welcome Center. I'm sorry I couldn't talk to you guys more up there once my grandmother and aunt came. Once they came, I got swamped with tons of people. And also towards the end, the lady that puts everything together for the fire tower stopped up to meet me because it's my first weekend up there. So we talked a little bit. I talked to her a little bit how to make it better, what I did up there with the flag and covering up the graffiti with the spray paint. It was a very nice conversation. It was really nice meeting her. But now I'm back at the Welcome Center, and our journey isn't over now because I'm going to turn in this book bag. I'm going to head back to Jamaica, and we're going to do that waterfall, Hamilton. All right, guys, let's get it.